Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Sarthak Show, where we discuss about tech, career, product and life. And we are working towards our MySQL playlist. In the last set of videos, we understood about select commands, how you can extract data from table, how you can put multiple comparisons, and how you can combine those comparisons with and, on, or operators. So folks, I want to give you one very big announcement. Newton School has started with their own full stack development course. They want to introduce more about full stack, and this is the best moment for you. They are going to teach you everything from scratch. You are going to learn everything about full stack development, front end, back end, and databases, and everything from scratch. And the best part of that is it's a zero fee upfront course, so you don't have to pay anything for joining this course and start. And also, you are going to learn about projects, different things in this course. You're going to build some very cool, awesome project for your resume, for your everything, for learning part as well. And the last bit, this is going to be very helpful for you guys, is that they are also going to get you placed at startups and MNCs. So they are going to assist you for your placements, for your jobs as well. You are going to get placed at startups, MNCs, and everything. What's the best deal that you can get? You're going to learn and you're going to get jobs. So you can check out the link in the description box below. It has all the information, all the context, and you can know what they are teaching and what the project that you will be working on. So stay tuned to that, and please check out the link in the description box below. In this video specifically, we will be working and listening towards order, sorting part. So the command is order by, and we will understand how you can sort the data. So let's say you want the data by name sorted, score sorted, or something, ranking you need in a sense. You can sort the data. MySQL provides that command that gives you sorted data when extracting information from a table. So we will learn and understand how you can get the data from the table and get it. So let me give you just a quick example where command, so select star from table name, where I would say I need, no, I don't need to mention that where, but let's say where, for where's a comparison. Okay, where comparison is mentioned, and now you want to order by this data, right? So you will mention order by and the column name again, column. Okay, this is like majority of the query. Will understand how you can order or maybe sort the data by ascending or descending order by specifically using keywords. So this is the query that we use to get the sorted data right out of the MySQL. You don't have to do it again. So let me just give you an example quickly. We have mentioned, right? So select, I'm going to give you a select star from students 2, right? So this is going to give you all the data that is present in students 2. Now you can see that Sarthak is coming on, Kevin is coming down. So I want to give you a sorted view. So from students, and I don't want to do any comparison, right? So I will just write order by name. This will give me the order by data. So null has no value, so that has the highest precedence. Then you can say Kevin, Sam, Sanket, Sarthak. Now you see that the data is sorted in this order, but let's say I want to order it by marital status. Then I can do that as well. Order by marital status, right? So married on the top, then single, and then NA, because M comes before S. Now specifically, if you check that the data doesn't look very good because married are there, but Kevin has come down. So I can do multiple column sorting in MySQL. So I can write order by marital status, comma name, right? What this will do is, this will do that again. The column is primarily sorted by married and single. If there is a single, like multiple entries in single, it will go to the next column, which is name, and then it will sort it again in this way. So Kevin has come on top now. Let me just quickly put this commands to the sample command section. Command Control V. I am giving you marital status so that you can try and check this. And also I'm giving you multi-column commands. So you can try this as well, right? Okay. Now, very interestingly, if you want to check that, I don't want it in the ascending order, because by default it is by ascending order, right? I got the alphabetical name first. We got in the initial, when I did by name, I got the null and then Kevin and then Sam. But let's say I want it in the descending order. What is the way I can do that? So let me just quickly write the command, select star from table name where comparison, okay, and lastly order by column name, and then you have to use the keyword DESC, which is to show that you can order the column by descending order. So this is the keyword that we are going to use. By default it is ascending, but if you want you can use the keyword ASC just to define that. So ASC or DESC just to show that ascending or descending order. Let me just write it over here as well. Ascending or descending order, right? This is how you can do that. Let me just give you a quick example for that. In our last table we did this. Let me give you let me just put the query as well. So where core is, let's say, greater than 50, order by name but DESC. Let me give you just by this example. And so this is how you got Kevin, same, Sanket, and this by score. But let me just put it again and give you by DESC. So DESC. So now you should get the result in descending order. So now Sanket is on the top, then Sam, and then Kevin, right? That's how things work. You can use a descending command as well. Just let me put this in the sample command section. Sample command. Right. A very interesting thing that also MySQL support is you can order different columns in different way. I can order, let's say, name as descending and score as ascending, and so on and so forth. So let me give you an example. Select star from students to where. I don't want to use where, but I just want to get the data. Order by, let's say, name ascending and score descending. So I get that how you can get the ranking as well. So see, I got the name, and then in this, if the score is same, is a score in the descending order, right? So name and then this. But now I have to quickly change this and give you the different kind of a result over here, because in this column the data is exactly same because both of them have the same score. Let me just write score first in descending order and name in ascending order, right? See the difference. I got the highest scorer and then this and so forth, right? I can do name, I can do that as well. Let me give you DOB as ascending, DOB descending. See, now the thing has changed. The score exactly 80, 70, 60, 50, 50 null. But if you carefully see, the Sarthak Jain with 25th April is on the top instead of this one, because I have sorted by date of birth, but in descending order. So we'll give you just this example as you can try that and do a sample command over here. And for comparison, I'm just replacing this with a different thing as well. So I'm giving you this sample command as well. So I hope you got the understanding of how things function and work in terms of sorting. So how MySQL support ascending and descending order sort. You can sort the columns and get the data. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood the sorting on the MySQL with the order by command with the characteristic ascending or descending. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And also mention in the comment section below what you want next on the MySQL. I am also coming with the amazing tips and tricks videos in between, where I will mention those commands or those things that are never mentioned anywhere else. So MySQL commands that people are not aware of, I am coming to go with that. Just wait for 2 or 3 more videos and I will quickly wrap up with that. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.